Hey Spartans, ready for a new adventure? Today we're heading out on a stunning hike from Lewes to Brighton, passing through the charming village of Rottingdean. Picture this, wide open skies, rolling hills, and that magical moment when the sea suddenly appears on the horizon.
This route is about 18.7 kilometres, or just under 12 miles. It's rated medium difficulty, perfect for those looking for a fun challenge. Expect a bit of a climb, around 500 metres, and roughly 6 hours of relaxed hiking. Distance 18.7 kilometres, 11.7 miles. Difficulty medium, duration around 6 hours. Wear comfy, sturdy shoes. Bring water and energising snacks. Dress in layers. UK weather is full of surprises. And don't forget your camera, you'll want those epic shots.
Hiking isn't just about walking, it's a total wellness boost. It keeps you active, clears your mind, improves your mood, and helps you explore stunning spots right near home. Best part? It's the most fun, social, and healthy way to spend your weekend. And of course, meet Maria, our amazing guide. She's super professional, full of energy, and seriously funny. With her leading the way, there's never a dull moment. Expect stories, laughter, and loads of good vibes. Looking to meet new people in London and across the UK? Hiking is the perfect way to connect. Walking side by side, sharing adventures, and wrapping up the day at Brighton Beach, friendships happen naturally.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Hiking in London Club and come experience this epic route from Lewes to Brighton. See you on the trail, Spartan!